All right, good morning, DFC, and welcome back to another edition of Grade 11 Entrepreneurship. Today, we're going to be looking at business plans and what they are. Specifically, we're going to learn how to access business plan templates, ones that I provide for you, and know what information is typically included in a business plan. So if you look at this image right here, there's a lot of things that we have seen before and stuff that we'll see when we actually create our business plan, which is the final project of the course. First things first, please watch today's video, which can be found here. Today's news of the day reading is right here. And today's video it's a little bit longer, but it's on how to create a business plan to start your own business. So it's definitely relevant to today's topic. We have today's is just a short reading right here. Describe what a business plan is and what it does. Helps organize your thinking, predict problems, and raise money for your venture. All things that are necessary when starting up a business. So don't worry about this question right here, but please read these 2 pages. All right, so let's get to the short answer questions. And I've given you access to 3 different business plan templates. Well, actually 2 are templates. This one is sample business plans. So let's click on that and then just find, let's go back up here to children and pet plans. Don't want that. Say pet photography or fish, no, not fish breeder. I have no interest in that. But pet photography. And this outline or table of contents shows you what sections there are. Now, typically, an executive summary is your first section. This is the introduction to your business plan. And I don't need you guys to read all of it. But pay attention to what sections are included in the plan outline, or it's also called the table of contents. Plan outline, table of contents, they are the same thing. There's a financial plan, for instance. Now, these are really in-depth business plans, and don't worry, I'm not going to have you guys create anything like this. I have a different business plan, which looks like this. So it's basically just charts that you fill in on your own based on work you've already done throughout Unit 2 and Unit 1 as well. But these are actual real life business plans that people have created. So don't worry, I don't want you to read everything. That's just would be overkill. But people like banks, investors, and organizations that help entrepreneurs, they do need to see a comprehensive business plan like that. So that's bplans.com. And if you go to the second template, open with Google Docs, I'm going to open up the third template as well from TACC. Table of contents, that's what I want you to focus on. And yes, in Business Development Canada's own template, they have a number of spelling errors. They spell contingency wrong and business wrong. But the table of contents is what I want you to focus on, and these are the main sections. It starts off with an executive summary, which is like your introduction. They go into business overview, sales and marketing as well. So those are the main 3 sections of the business plan. Now let's go to TACC's. The table of contents, theirs is broken down like this. And as usual, your executive summary is your introduction. That is where you introduce the reader to your business idea. So SWOT analysis, that's something we've looked at before. Risk assessment, market analysis. It's all very familiar concepts. So just remember, I want you guys to focus on, just for today's lesson, the table of contents or the plan outline. I'm going to specify that in the question as well. So tell me, what are some common sections that appear throughout the templates for question number 1? And then for one of the common sections you chose in question 1, tell me what you think the purpose of it is. For example, what is the purpose of an executive summary in a business plan? Well, it's to introduce the readers to your business idea. Or a financial plan section is to show you how much the business is predicted to earn in terms of profit. For example, investors and banks, they need to see that your business is profitable. It's all just a matter of how profitable your business is. If you're planning on losing money with your business idea, they're not going to want to lend you any money. Why would they? Next, tell me 2 reasons that your venture would need a business plan. Remember, venture is just another word for business idea. And well, you need a business plan to raise money from investors or lenders, and to also identify any potential problems that you may experience. And it just helps you organize your thoughts when you're going to plan your business as well. Next, tell me who would want to look at a business plan, and you can find these ideas in the reading. And just explain why each person would want to see your plan. Why do business plans need to be organized in more or less the same way? Well, that is because a bank, they would see many business plans over their time. So they need to know where to go to find certain information. So they need to know to go to the financial plan section to see a cash flow projection or a yearly income prediction or startup costs. Now, number 6, why is it important for a business plan or any other important document like a resume to look professional? Well, just remember that your business plan is an extension of you as an entrepreneur. So if they see something that is done very poorly, they're going to think your business idea is poor as well. And you as an entrepreneur are not looked too highly upon. So if you want to look your best and inspire confidence in your business idea, you need to have something, an idea that is good, and a business plan that is solid and inspires confidence in you as a person. Then people will be willing to lend or invest money in your business idea. So who in the online or real world could help you create your business plan? Well, in the real world, there's me, but there are also many sites like bplans.com, which are there to help you write business plans. So they have sample business plans, they have a business plan guide, they have a business plan template as well. So this website is all about helping you create a business plan. And then finally, based on your viewing of sample plans and templates, what do you think the purpose of a business plan is? I should also specify on today's reading. So tell me what you think the purpose of a business plan is. All right, as usual, we have today's goal here. And if you did these 4 things, access sample business plans and templates, read through the table of contents for the common sections of a business plan, If you understand that business plans need to be organized and professional to attract investors and moneylenders, and if you've identified the purpose of a business plan, give yourself a mark of 4 out of 4. If you haven't met them, just put it in this column here. And as usual, these marks will not count toward your final grade, but I use them to track your learning, and you can track your learning as well. All right, as usual, I'll be in Google Meet every morning if you need me, and I hope to hear from you soon. That is it for today's lesson, and have a great day, folks. Bye.